We just come through a year that's been more difficult than ever. And together, we've shown ourselves that we can grow faster than all of our competitors.
I want to say thank you to our team for how well they came together in the face of adversity and how they put their trust not only in our leadership, but also in each other. If you feel like you're in the rat race at work every day and nothing seems to change, we want you to take a day off every month to take care of yourself.
Thank you guys. I can't imagine another point in my career where we've had such a drastic shift in how things are done. Everybody's always been super open. Hard work was definitely not something that was missing.
I'd like to say to my team and the entire team at KETIV how proud I am to have worked with you guys all this last year.
Last year, our customers' emphasis was on survival, and our culture of empathy and caring and compassion helped them through that. As we get into this next year, they are setting bold, courageous goals for themselves. They are going to expect us to partner with them, ask them the courageous questions they need to hear, listen to their answers, stay engaged,